Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Oni. So today I'm going to show you how to make party jollof rice with beef. I hope you try this out. Keep watching. So I have my rice. I'm using few fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper. I have my garlic and my ginger. I have one bulb of onion. I have my salt, then my seasoning cubes, my crayfish, then I have tomato paste, I have my vegetable oil. So I'll start by steaming my meat. I'm using beef, so I'll add my curry, then my thyme, then seasoning cubes, then I'll add salt, and of course water. After that, I'll cover the pot and put the meat on fire. Then it's time to blend my tomatoes and pepper. After blending, you pour it into a pot or a pan and cook until the water dries up. Once the water is remaining small, you add a little bit of salt and you turn it like you stir the pot. Now it's time to blend the onion, the ginger, the garlic. Now you have to parboil the rice. So you add hot water to a pot, boiling hot water to a pot, and then you add the rice and you cover the pot. You allow it to boil for 5 minutes and then you wash the rice, wash it thoroughly to remove the starch and all, and you put it inside a sieve like this. Now it's time to check the beef on fire, check if it's done. Once it's done, you separate the beef from the stock. You'll be needing the stock for the jollof, and we'll be frying the beef later on. Now that we are done prepping all the ingredients, it's time to make the jollof. I prefer prepping my ingredients before cooking because it makes everything easier for me. So for the jollof, you put an empty pot on fire. Once the pot is dried, you add your vegetable oil. You allow the vegetable oil to get hot a little bit, and then it's time to add your fresh tomato blend. Once you add it, mix the both of them together, both the oil and the tomato blend, and allow it to cook for some minutes. Once the combination turns like this, you know that it's time to add your tomato paste. So now add your tomato paste. Now mix everything together and allow it to cook for some seconds. Be consistent in turning it, because if you don't, some parts may start getting burnt. Once the tomato paste completely blends into the tomato mixture, you know that it's ready to add your other ingredients. Now add your ginger, garlic and onion mixture. Add the crayfish. Add the seasoning cubes. Then you add your salt. And the beef stock. Now stir the pot and adjust your seasoning. Check if you still need to add salt. Now allow the mixture to boil. Once it starts boiling, you add water that is just enough to cover the top of the rice. Now with your spoon, mix everything together. Now your pot is ready for you to add the rice. So you need to add your rice. You add the rice and then you turn everything together. Mix both the rice and the water. You have to be fast before the water starts boiling, because once it starts boiling and you turn the rice, it will start burning under. So you need to be really very fast when doing this. Once you're done mixing everything thoroughly, it's time to cover your pot and allow the rice to boil. You allow it to boil until the water is dried up. Once the water is dried up, with your spoon, you turn the rice, you mix it thoroughly, and your jollof rice is ready. If you taste it now, you notice that it's tasting like party jollof. So guys, I hope you try out my recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button down below. You can also drop your comments in the comment section. You can also watch all my other videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.